Welcome back to Fit Life Fusion. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more health and wellness tips. Today, we're talking about the importance of kidney healing drinks and how they can support better kidney function and overall health. It's a topic that's really close to my heart because, let's face it, our kidneys are responsible for filtering out toxins and waste from our bodies, and when they're not functioning properly, it can have serious consequences. Did you know that kidney disease is a leading cause of death worldwide? In fact, according to the National Kidney Foundation, 1 in 3 Americans is at risk for kidney disease, and many people don't even realize they have it until it's too late. The scary thing is, kidney disease can be silent, and by the time symptoms appear, it may already be too late. That's why it's crucial to take proactive steps to support our kidney health. And one of the easiest ways to do that is through diet and hydration. What we eat and drink can have a huge impact on our kidney function. A diet high in processed foods, sugar, and salt can put extra strain on our kidneys, while a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can help support them. Staying hydrated is also essential because our kidneys need water to function properly. In fact, even mild dehydration can cause kidney damage, so it's essential to drink plenty of water throughout the day. But what about drinks that can specifically support kidney health? From ancient remedies to modern research, there are certain drinks that have been shown to have a positive impact on kidney function. And that's what we're going to talk about today. I'll be sharing my top 5 kidney healing drinks, and I'll tell you exactly why they're so beneficial. Let's dive in. Coming in at number 5 is cranberry juice. Cranberry juice has been used for centuries to support urinary health, and it's also been shown to have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that can help protect the kidneys from damage. Number 4 is apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has natural detoxifying properties that can help remove toxins from the body, and it's also been shown to have a positive impact on blood sugar levels, which is important for kidney health. Coming in at number 3 is ginger tea. Ginger has natural anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the kidneys, and it's also been shown to have antioxidant properties that can help protect against oxidative stress. Number 2 is dandelion tea. Dandelion tea has been used for centuries to support kidney health, and it's been shown to have natural diuretic properties that can help increase urine production and reduce fluid retention. And drumroll please, coming in at number 1 is beetroot juice. Beetroot juice is like a superhero for your kidneys. It's rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that can help support kidney function, and it's even been shown to have natural detoxifying properties that can help remove toxins from the body. But what really sets beetroot juice apart is its ability to increase nitric oxide production, which can help improve blood flow to the kidneys and reduce inflammation. I have to say, after researching and testing out all of these drinks, I was blown away by the benefits of beetroot juice. I mean, the science is just incredible. And personally, I've seen a huge difference in my energy levels and overall health since I started incorporating beetroot juice into my daily routine. Of course, everyone's results will vary, but I think it's definitely worth trying out. So, to recap, my top 5 kidney healing drinks are cranberry juice, apple cider vinegar, ginger tea, dandelion tea, and beetroot juice. Each of these drinks has its own unique benefits that can help support kidney function and overall health. Remember, taking care of our kidneys is an ongoing process, and it's up to us to make informed choices that support our health. Thanks for watching, and if you have a favorite kidney healing drink, please let me know in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about kidney health, be sure to check out my video on natural remedies for kidney health. The link is in the description box below.